Now we present to you a small excerpt from the play Hamlet, brought to you by our youngest resident who loves acting. Applaud, applaud, applaud!
Queen Gertrude, why are you so restless? Your son will come today. You should be happy.
My lord, I'm really worried about that. I don't understand why Hamlet is behaving this way. I think he knows something. He has doubts. He will come here at any moment now.
Don't worry about him at all. I will convince him, my son.
Uncle Bandu is doing such a great job, right?
Honestly, I don't think he could pull this off.
Prince Hamlet is approaching!
My son is here.
Hamlet is here!
Hamlet, my son, here you are.
Yes, mother. Greetings, mother.
Be happy. Go and meet your uncle.
Uncle, greetings. Helmet, my son. Uncle, it is Hamlet, not Helmet. You are here and I'm so pleased. My joy just cannot be contained. Soldier!
Yes, my lord.
Soldier! Yes. Go and distribute sweets in the entire kingdom.
Yes, my lord.
My son, I know. Your uncle's death has made you sad.
My lord, his uncle didn't pass away. His father passed away. You are the uncle.
Yes, I am Uncle Bandu, right? I am Uncle Bandu, Nayak, right?
I praised him and now he has messed it all up. Listen, you are the king in this play, Hamlet, okay? Remember?
Oh, that
Then?
was a mistake. Yes. My son, you are sad after the demise of your father. But that which is decreed, which is written below,
Wow.
that which is fated, it's thrown out. That would be water from a tank, sir. Be quiet, you.
Listen, dear.
Yes.
Destined.
Yes,
it is
yes, that's
destined.
right.
What are you
That which
doing?
is destined will happen, but don't grieve over it, please. Don't feel bad about it, because your father may have passed away, but so what? Your grandpa is still alive. Wow!
Yes, you are my uncle, right?
Yes, I am Uncle Bandu Nayak. Well done, Uncle. Uncle, you are in this play playing the role of King Claudius. Sorry again. My son Hamlet.
Yeah.
I am the king of this kingdom. And now your mother is my sister.
Sister?
Oh, come here. She's not your sister. She's your better half.
That's you, right?
That's my misfortune. I won't say anything to you anymore. You can say whatever you want. You messed up this entire play. Shakespeare must be turning in his grave after watching this performance of Hamlet.
Can't let it go. Uncle, you are doing well, so you continue. Carry on with your omelette. Listen, my son Helmet.
Uncle, I have traveled a long way and I'm tired now. I need to rest right now.
We will sit together and eat later on. Oh, yes. Since I am coming over, you must have ordered a 5-course banquet to celebrate. Huh? Yes.
So what about it, mother? Let us go then.
Go and rest, my son. Go, Queen Garud. You should go too.
Yes, go Queen Garud. You should go fly.
Listen.
What
They
is
will
it?
rest when they want to. You come along now. Let's go.
Nothing is wrong with me. I'm just fine. I still have dialogues to say.
What dialogues?
Yes.
You can say your dialogues at home now.
Wait a moment.
Let's go.
If you say another word to me, I will put all the boxes at home on the higher shelf, okay? Then let's see how will you get them off.
Don't tell me about the boxes. First, repair the mixer.
I won't do it. You can use the grinding stone.
Really?
Yes.
I'll give you food without any ground spices then. Wait and see.
Go. If you don't feed me, my daughter will feed me. You will see.
Let me see how she feeds you.
Yes.
Uncle,
Yes.
let's go in.
No, I have more Hamlet to do here. Yes, I will act now.
listen.
I have more lines. No way. Go away, both of you. No,
Uncle, come
I
on,
won't
come
budge from
on.
here.
Leave it.
What's the big deal?
Come on,
Let me
let's go,
finish my
let's
dialogues.
go.
No. Wow, Uncle
Wow,
Bandu.
Bandu uncle,
You
wow. Come on, kids. We will play a game now. Look here, we have a glass bowl on this table. There are some notes in it. You must take them out one by one. The topic that this note has written on it, that is what you must speak about. Come on, come one by one.
My school. I love my school so much.
Pari, it's your turn.
Oh God, I forgot to call Yash. He wanted to watch Pari dance. Hello, Yash?
Yes, when is Pari performing?
Sorry, Yash. Her dance is already over.
It's done? But you were going to video call me.
I was so excited that I forgot. But someone must have shot a video of it. I'll show it to you later. But there is a game in progress right now. Pari is going to speak to everyone. Wait, let me video call.
My topic is my mom. I love my mom. She loves me a lot. She is dangerous when she is angry. She gives me a smack then. Her hand hurts, okay? But she fears nothing. Not even the dangerous man. But she cries every day while giving me an injection. I want to be as strong as my mother when I grow up. My father doesn't live with us here. I don't even miss him. Because my mom takes a very good care of me. She promised me she will never leave me and go away anywhere. I will not leave her and go away anywhere either. My mom is the best mom in the world. I love you, Mom.
Neha, honestly, I shouldn't have put your daughter to work today. Please forgive me. She's so talented. Take care of her.
Pari, do you know why I am the best mom in the world?
Why?
Because my little girl Pari is the best girl in the world.
Pikachu, eat something. There is such good food here. Should I ask them to make French toast for you?
I don't want this. I don't like it. I'm bored of eating this every single day. I want to eat pizza and burgers. I don't want this.
Listen. You please talk to him.
Me. Tell him. He won't listen to me anyway. I will try to talk to him as an uncle. But then his mom will flare up at me. Can she take it if I say anything to him? To be honest, he needs to eat less. Look at the state he is with all that eating.
I don't want it. I want pizza. I don't want all of this.
Pushkaraj, what kind of behavior is this? Huh? My son, we are lucky to have so many options in terms of food. People don't even get a whole meal outside. Just eat what you've been given. Quietly. Be a good boy. Come on. Good morning.
Good morning.
I have told you not to behave this way so many times. Do you want to be locked up? You want pizza and burger?
Aunt, I spoke to him right now. He's eating, right?
I'm glad you spoke to him. You are his older brother. You must talk to him and scold him.
Aunt, I think just a bit of discipline is needed.
Yes.
Pushkaraj, you're still very young. But if you get things very easily, value them a little bit.
What you said is correct, Yash. Those who work hard for the money know all about it. Those who are habituated to grabbing their meal will not understand it.
Those who can only drink, what would they know either?
You've said it?
Pikachu, come. Let me order you a pizza, okay? We will go to your room. It's time for your online class. Get up. Let's go.
Oh my! It's time for my online classes as well. I'm learning to paint online these days. Dad, I will be right back. I will be back, Yash.
Come on, Pikachu. Please sit. You have an online class. Where is your laptop? Where is it?
Mom,
Huh?
I want a pizza at once.
Oh, baby, please wait. Let us join the class first. We will attend it and then I will give you a pizza.
I want this pizza at once and that's it.
Pikachu, listen to me. You know it, right? I have to say and behave like that in front of Grandpa, right? Don't insist. Stay calm. I'm going to get it for you. First, we will join online class, then I'll get it.
No, I want a pizza. I want a pizza. I want a pizza. I want a pizza. I want a pizza.
Calm down. What is going on with you?
No, I want a pizza right now.
Hey,
Stop it.
What is going on here? Why is he shouting like that,
It's
Seema?
me, not Seema. And you please stop him.
No, I want a pizza right now. I want chocolates and I want ice cream too.
Okay, Meena. Please take him away at once. Give him the chocolates, the ice cream and anything else he wants. Just let me calm down. Go away. Go.
Come, let's go.
My goodness, this kid.
Simi, you are awesome. Our son was crying so bitterly. You calmed him in no time at all. I could never manage that.
That's it? You can't manage anything, so I have to do all the work.
It's not like that.
Just be quiet. First of all, that old man is driving me crazy.
Dad? What did Dad do now?
That's it. He doesn't do anything. He's not transferring the estate over to us. He has taken it all over for himself. He can only see his darling grandson Yash. He doesn't care for us at all. My poor Pikachu. He mocks him non-stop. He says whatever he wants to me and insult me. Just be quiet. I am being gagged and punched.
Simi? Who is gagging you?
Just don't irritate me, please. And if anyone does gag me, what can you do about it?
I would.
Just be quiet. Since Yash came to the Mumbai office, there is no way of getting money. Earlier, I could spend money the way I wanted to. But now it's impossible. But I am Simi. I will dig a new path if it's not in front of me. No matter what I want, I will get what I want. I will have to use a ploy which makes the old man gives me the money.
Simi, what are you planning to do?
Good morning, everyone. Hey, good morning, Sameer. Hey, wow. Uncle, Yash, Grandpa and me. The original gang is together at the breakfast table today. Amazing. I am not a member of this gang anymore. Do you see?
Those who have pulled themselves out have no right to question others.
Must you speak every single time?
Grandpa,
Yeah, Sameer.
No, I don't want anything to eat. I've eaten a lot.
let me attend to this call. I'll be back.
Call? What is it? Is it a private call?
No. It's from the office. There's no network here, so I'm taking it outside.
Jaggu, you are right. A private call is a personal call. And a personal call is the tiffin lady's call. Let's go. Tiffin lady. Let's go and check.
Okay.
Hello? Yes, Neha, tell me.
I told you, ask about a house for me in your locality. Have you looked for it?
Neha, actually, I don't think you need that.
No, Yash. I was going to get an advance salary from the office, but it has not happened yet.
No. See, you'll get the advance salary, I think, because I personally spoke to Sir. And he has started off the next procedure too, if I'm not wrong.
Why did you speak to him?
It's okay. How does it matter if I spoke or someone else spoke? Your work needs to be done. That's important. I promise you'll certainly get an advance salary. Okay? Yeah. Okay then. Bye.
Promise.
What about the promise?
Wow.
Wow.
A vow is a promise.
A promise. You must keep the promise you make. You must keep the promise you make.
Fantastic, absolutely. There's another promise.
What is it?
Promise me, my love, you and I will not live if we are apart. There are many songs based on promise. I can tell you about another. What about your promise?
Uncle, you too? Seriously?
It's the old gang.
Can we speak about work to be done?
Yes.
Uncle, escort Grandpa to his room, please.
He will escort me.
Yes.
I'm going.
No.
I will manage.
He'll escort you.
What about your promise?
Can we discuss some work? When is the online conference to London scheduled? Sameer, this is a very important deal. It must be done today.
Right.
Everything okay with the Dubai office?
Absolutely.
Good. Okay. So can anything be done about Neha's advance salary?
It's almost done. I think the advance salary is probably deposited in her account already.
My boy.
Come along. Aunt, I'm leaving Pari here.
Yes, I'll come. I'm done with prayers.
Oh, Aunt, are you using oil to your knees or have you run out of it?
Yes, but it got over the day before yesterday.
I will send the shopkeeper on my way out. He will give it to you.
Why bother? My husband will bring it.
Yes, I will go. Don't worry.
Uncle, come on. Aunt, I'll get it.
Okay, fine. Get it.
Okay, fine. See you.
Neha, you seem very happy today. What's new?
My work related to the house will get done. I mean, Yash spoke the big boss about my advance salary. If it works out, my issues with the house will be resolved.
Wow. This is really good. Neha, believe me, Yash is a very nice boy.
He's my friend, right? Obviously, he's nice.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to leave
Okay,
now.
fine.
Pari, be good and eat on time. And
And I won't trouble uncle and aunt.
good girl. I leave now. Bye. Bye,
Yes.
dear.
Bye, Mom.